Hi, using the minimap in VS Code and Xcode, you can navigate around the source code of the parent selected file. It is the map cloud that appears on the top right of the editor. So this is how it looks in VS Code. Let's go to Xcode. In Xcode, it looks similar to the one in VS Code, so we can use it to navigate around the code. But this becomes very annoying when, for example, recording a video. Let's look at how to hide it in Xcode and VS Code. Since we are in Xcode, let's do that first. To hide the minimap in Xcode, we can use a shortcut or go to the toolbar and select Editor and scroll down. You can see here we have minimap. By unchecking this, it will hide the minimap. Or we can use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+Command+M that hides the minimap in Xcode. To hide the minimap in VS Code, we select Code and Settings, then Settings again. On the top right, we have to click this icon, Open Settings. So we can hide the minimap by setting the Boolean property editor.minimap.enabled to false. Once we save the file, in the app.js file, you can see we don't have the minimap anymore. So this is how you can hide it in both Xcode and VS Code. Once again, in Xcode, you can use Ctrl+Shift+Command+M to hide the minimap. To hide it in VS Code, we set the Boolean property editor.minimap.enabled to false. Thanks for watching this video and wait for the next.